Here's how to hide your friends list on Roblox. Now head into the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. It works the exact same. From here, there are several ways to be able to hide your friends list, but we need to get your settings to be able to do that. So tap on More at the bottom right and then scroll down to Settings. Once you're in your settings, there are a number of different steps that we can take to prevent people from seeing which games you're playing, that you're online, who your friends are, etc. To be able to control those, the first thing we'll do is go to Privacy and Content Restrictions, and from here, Communication. Now, I would first recommend going into Experience Chat, and let's turn these off, both Experience Chat and Direct Chat, essentially hiding the ability to chat with you so that they don't know that you're on. Next, let's go back and go to Party, and same thing, let's turn this off for Party and Group Party. After you've done that and you're ready to go, let's go back and then go back again. And now we'll go to a couple other things as well. Let's go to Visibility and Private Servers. This allows other people to see when you're on a private server and connect with you and play games with you. Of course, you don't necessarily want to be able to do that. So if this says online status, connections, people you follow, etc., I would switch this to no one, both for your online status and current experience. At the very bottom, if it turns on share activity updates, make sure that is turned off as well. The next thing we'll do is prevent anyone from being able to find you, in addition to your friends being able to find you. So let's go back out here, back again, and then go to Connections and Contacts, and here's Friend Discovery. Let's turn this off. It says help people who already have your phone number add you. Again, you don't necessarily want anyone else to be able to find you. You want to keep everything nice and private, and you've done just that.